mindfulness of sound. Find a comfortable place to sit, trying if you can to adopt an upright posture. Aware of your body sat in the chair and the breath as it moves in and out of your body. Now, seeing if you can slowly allow your attention to broaden away from your body, receptive to sounds that you can hear around you, not necessarily reaching out to sounds, but rather receptive to them as they arise and disappear around you. Becoming aware of the direction they arise in and their nature, their character, the volume, the tone, the pitch, whether they are constant or intermittent. Not necessarily naming the sounds, but rather becoming interested in the acoustic quality of the sound. And whenever you notice that the attention is away from the sounds and has been captured by thoughts, concerns, emotions, physical sensations, to the best of your ability, becoming aware of this and bringing your attention back to sounds around you. Noticing sounds in the room and outside the room, maybe alternating from one to the other. Seeing if you can focus your attention more purposefully on one sound that you can hear around you. Using this as an anchor for attention, noticing with curiosity the nature and characteristics of this sound, and returning to this sound whenever your mind wanders. And now pulling back from focusing on this sound, see if you can split your attention and notice or become aware of all the sounds around you, so that no sound is paid more attention to than others. And maybe alternating between splitting attention to all the sounds around you and focusing on one sound in particular. And now an invitation to come back to the breath. coming back to every inhale and exhale. And expanding awareness to the whole of the body, sitting here. And whenever you feel ready to, opening the eyes and coming back to the training.